From here, with every increase in income, guys, consumption expenditure also increases. Understand this point. Even though all the basic necessities and the certain level of comfort are met of an economy, then also consumption expenditure keeps increasing with increase in income, as it is happening here. At this point, all the basic needs and comfort of the economy are met. Yet, with increase in income, now people go towards luxury. So here, consumption expenditure also increases with increase in income, but now it never becomes more than income. And this is basically sign of developed economies. This is the sign of underdeveloped and developing economies, guys, where they do not earn as much as which is required for their basic consumption. I hope you're understanding, guys. Right? So when income further increases, consumption expenditure also increases, and at a certain point of time, now with this, aggregate demand becomes equal to income or aggregate supply. And that is what is equilibrium point of the economy. जो लोग ऐसा करते हैं वो सिर्फ एक्सपोजर के लिए करते हैं, अगर ऐसा करते हैं तो कि वहां से आप काम सीख के आ जाएं फिर यहाँ पे आके वापस उतना ही कमाएं जितना आप वहां कमा रहे थे, बिकॉज द earnings are same. You are saying it is 15 here and 25 there, so they go only for exposure if it is so. But usually people do not go for this. They go for higher income. Higher income means यहाँ का 15 or same in Indian currency. If you're earning outside, it must be more than 15. Then only you should go out. So either you are going for exposure or you are going for better lifestyle. Here you earn 1 lakh per month. There you earn 1 lakh per month. There you will have better facilities because there most of the people are earning what you are earning. Here it is not so. Here many people are not earning even 10,000 per month. And it's a democratic country, right? So government has to think of everyone. So whether you have Mercedes or you have Alto 800, you would be driving on the same road. Understanding my point? किसके? So it all depends upon your internal satisfaction. One fine day you people will understand this. At this age, money, lifestyle, everything looks very attracts us, right? But at one point of time, you will understand that no, inner peace and satisfaction is more important than something else. But that will happen very late in your lives. So guys, C has direct relationship with Y. That is, with every increase in Y, C also increases. Do not, though may not as much as change in income. After the point when Y is equal to C or S is equal to 0, C increases with increase in income but remains lesser than income. At one point of time, AD becomes equal to AS, and that is economy's equilibrium point. Note down this much, guys. Done, guys. All noted down this much. You all noted down this, right?
No, sir.
Income being lesser than C is a sign of underdeveloped and developing economies, whereas income being more than C is a sign of developed economies. Right, guys? I hope you are understanding everything very clearly. When income is more than C, lesser than C, it means you are not able to earn even that much what you require for your survival, for your lifestyle to a certain level. And when your income is more than C, it means you are able to earn more than what you actually require for your current needs. Right? Now, after noting down this, guys, make this schedule, but in that you have to make only these columns: Y, AD, AS, and level of employment in lakhs. You do not have to make the columns of C, I, and S. C you can make, guys. You make C also with it, but not I and S. Here I have marked, guys, equilibrium level of income, equilibrium level of output, and equilibrium level of employment. Yes, please do not talk. Too much you talk. No, please do not. Guys, three of you, do not do this. Guys, instead of writing level of employment here, write workforce in lakhs. Please change it, guys. I repeat, guys, the second approach is SI approach, that is savings investment approach. In this approach, instead of comparing AD with AS, here we compare savings and investments. Right? Now you know that for every economy at initial stage, savings are in negative because of lesser income than consumption expenditure. With further increase in income, savings also increases. It means savings and investments also have direct relationship. So with increase in income every time, savings also increases. And because of this, negative savings slowly get converted into zero and then into positive savings. When positive savings reaches the level of investment, that time the economy is at equilibrium. Have you understood, guys, or not? So in this approach, instead of comparing AD with AS, savings, that is S, and investments, that is I, are compared to determine equilibrium of the economy. Every economy at its initial stage has negative savings due to consumption expenditure being higher than its income. When income rises, savings also rise. That is, income and savings also have direct relationship. When it equals investments, that is S is equal to I, the economy attains equilibrium. So guys, note this down fast, everyone. Everyone, guys, make this table fast. Everyone, guys. Now the graph on x-axis, guys. We take output in monetary terms. That is total production in monetary terms. And y-axis we take AS, AD, and its components. That is this is the line of AS. Guys, please hold on. Do not make this because I may change this. Please do not make it. Okay, guys, now look at here. Do not make it. Try to understand this, guys. I am done with this. I have to mark the lines. First of all, AS, which is there in front of you, and you know that it makes 45-degree angle on x-axis, right? Because output and AS are always same, and AS and income always remain same. So whether it is AS, which is equivalent to output, or income, they both are same. And we have taken output on x-axis and AS on y-axis, and they both are same. Because of this, the curve of or the line of AS or Y makes 45-degree angle on x-axis. This we have seen earlier also, guys. So here we have angle of 45-degree, right? Now, after AS, guys, I have made curve of C. This is consumption expenditure. This one, which is starting from point 5. So this is 5 crores. Investment expenditure, if you see in your schedule, it is starting from, it is 10 crores always. That is this one. So the line parallel to x-axis actually is investment line. That is autonomous investment expenditure. So C is 5 initially when income is 0. C is 5 and investment expenditure is 10. It means aggregate demand at zero level of income is 15 crores. That is this one. Starting from 15 crores. You can check the data in the schedule that we have already made. It means the line here is the line of aggregate demand. This one. So all the lines, guys, I have marked. Now the one line is left which is starting from negative region, and that is of savings. That is this one. It is starting from minus 5 because at zero level of income, consumption expenditure is 5 crores. So that time savings would be minus 5 crores. That is here. Now, when guys understand this, guys, when C and AS, that is when consumption expenditure and income or aggregate supply are same. That is at this point, the savings is 0. And that is why when C and AS are same, the line of S is touching X axis and becoming 0. Before that, it was in negative. I hope you all have understood this. Yes or no, guys? Amatullah, Anish, Mansha, Mishika, Tanmay, I'm asking you all.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And when I and S are equal, here, corresponding to that, AD and AS are equal. So this is the point of equilibrium. And point of equilibrium is expressed in the graph on x-axis where we have output. And that was in our schedule, it was 100 crores. It means this point on x-axis is 100 crores when S and I are equal and when AD and AS are equal. Have you understood this, guys? And this output is called underemployment equilibrium output or income. Because at this point, at the income of 100 crores, all the workforce has not got employment. I'm done, guys, with the graph. I hope you all have understood this. If yes, make it. If no, you can ask your doubts, guys.